Johnston RV out in beautiful Sandy. We're on our front line here. We're going to be showcasing a beautiful 2006 Pleasureway XL, the TD floor plan. Amazing build. These take 400 man hours to build. This is going to be on the Ford V10, not the V8, where a lot of people get it confused. They built them with both the V8 and the V10. This one's going to be on the V10. Drives excellent. These are all built out in Canada. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. So making our way in here, I'll have Adrian kind of just pan around because this floor plan is very small, very simplistic. We're gonna have our microwave, we have our cab area over here. We have all of our controls right above Adrian there, where we're gonna have our own generator start, all the cool stuff. You can see all of your tank levels. We have a beautiful cabinetry here with our 2 stove burner. We're at the refrigerator down below and the bathroom setup, which can be located right here for a full wet bath with your sink and your shower. Awesome. In the back here, this is going to create into a huge bed. This is going to roll over. These are also going to come together. You got a nice entertainment, tons of cabinetry. You got the AC unit right above you. Come check us out here at Johnston RV. We'd love to show you this unit and some of the other older makes that we have that are built in Canada. Thank you.